Hello there. Here's how to make a quick, yummy, and high protein salad that can also stay in the fridge for up to 4 days. You'll need cooked chickpeas, about 3 cups. I like to boil mine at home, but you could also use canned chickpeas. To that, add your fresh vegetables, the cherry tomatoes, the English cucumber, yellow bell peppers, or any other color, and then some black olives. Again, you could use green, it's okay. Now sprinkle in some fresh herbs. I'm using parsley. You could also use dill. And now season with these 3 seasonings. You could also adjust things here. And now the Olive Garden Italian dressing for the final touch. It is so delicious and it's ready to find at the store, so you don't have to make this dressing at home. So go ahead and pour in the dressing and then just toss your salad and it's ready to serve. This is perfect for work lunches, for just a salad at home. It is very filling and I hope you love it like I do. It's very easy to put together. So I hope you love this recipe and that I'll see you in more of my videos. That is it for today. Bye bye and thank you for watching.